The Biden administration is sending 1,500 troops to the southern border ahead of the end of Title 42. That's the pandemic-era health order that allows immigrants to be deported almost immediately on public health grounds. Now, this is going to be in addition to the 2,500 National Guardsmen that are already at the border. The troops will only serve in administrative and transportation roles to free up Border Patrol agents and other members of law enforcement to work in the field. They will assist with detection and monitoring, data entry, and warehouse support. They'll only be armed for self-defense.
It's important to note that the department is also evaluating options on how we might replace these deploying forces in stride with other sources to include potentially forces from the reserve component and contracted support.
Immigration is expected to surge after the end of Title 42 on May 11th. The Department of Homeland Security has for months been trying to prepare. But there are thousands of immigrants waiting in border towns in Mexico and thousands more making their way north. In fact, El Paso, Texas Mayor Oscar Leeser crossed the border and went into Juarez, Mexico, where migrants are waiting for Title 42 to end. He says he expects 10,000 to 12,000 migrants to cross on May 11th and 12th.
They've come in really with a false pretense that there will be open borders starting on May 11th, and anyone that's already in the United States will no longer be required to have proper documentation, and that is an untrue statement.
U.S. officials say that is misinformation, and anyone who tries to cross illegally without using the proper channels will be deported. Straight from D.C., I'm Ray Bogan.
Thanks for watching. In this time of media mistrust, Straight Arrow News is on a mission to bring you unbiased, fact-based reporting. So like and subscribe to Straight Arrow News below. And to see all of our content, go to straightarrownews.com.